Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Sports Minister Olivia Grange says that the newly formed National Anti-Doping in Sport Compliance Committee shows how serious the government is taking the issue of monitoring doping in sport. The committee, which is set up to ensure that Jamaica conforms to the World Anti-Doping Agency's code and UNESCO's International Convention Against Doping in Sport, had its first meeting on Wednesday. And Minister Grange says it's an initiative which involves a number of different agencies.
We know that this can only be effectively done through policy coherence, through joined-up government. And so that we will know the right hand, will know what the left hand is doing, the various entities and agencies that are relevant in this fight against doping in sports, such as customs, the police, the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, the Ministry of Health, the universities.
And Minister Grange says it's also important to have non-government agencies in on the fight against doping in sports.
It's about joined-up government, but it's not only about joined-up government. It's about Jamaica. And so entities that are not necessarily government entities are also a part of this compliance committee, such as the Jamaica Olympic Association. They're at the table representing all sporting disciplines in Jamaica. Those that are Olympic sports and those that are not Olympic sports, they are at the table representing all sporting bodies.